no! Bex! Bex, look what I found!
What is it this time? I swear if you're trying to show me that inappropriately shaped rock again, I'm gonna smash your head into it.
No! It's something way cooler, trust me, come on!
Alright, fine. I'm here. What is it you wanted to...
I know, right? I told you it was like way cooler.
Cool is not the word I would use.
What do you think it is?
What makes you think I would know? I don't know what that thing is.
They almost look elvish. Or Severithing. But also not elvish or Severithing.
And how, pray tell, do you know that?
The ears, silly, they're not pointy. And I think they're way too short.
You're like 2.5 meters tall. Everything is short.
Hey, you're not much taller, you know.
Keyword being taller.
Oh my god, I think they moved.
Don't get closer, dumbass. Are you trying to cause trouble?
They're breathing! Bex, they're not dead!
Yay.
Oh, they look hurt. There's blood all over their clothes. Do you think they fell?
Don't know and don't care. This isn't our problem, Bri. We should head back before it starts raining.
But we can't just leave them here.
Yes, we can. You know the boss doesn't like us being close to her quarters.
But you know what she'll do if she finds them.
If that's what happens, then so be it. It's survival of the fittest here, Briar. You know that. We shouldn't risk ourselves for someone we don't even know.
If we really believe that, you wouldn't be here. Don't be a hypocrite.
I'm not. I'm trying to look out for us. We don't have anyone else.
And neither do they.
Don't look at me like that. Alright, fine.
Yes!
But I'm not carrying them. They're your responsibility, so you better not get us caught.
Okay. Just help me get them up.
Fine.
Careful. Are you trying to hurt them even more?
Good thing we made it before that rain came down.
It was pretty windy. I don't think they would have made it out there for very long.
That's because this place is full of weird shit. I hate living so close to that dragon.
At least she let us stay here. Not for free, of course.
Don't remind me. We're like errand boys to her, getting whatever she wants because she can't go get it herself.
I'm sure she's just looking for things to do. If I were trapped in a forest for 1,000 years, it'd totally go stir crazy. Kind of feel bad for her.
Don't forget what she did to get trapped here in the first place. She's a bad person and she deserves to be trapped. The only reason we're here is because people hate us. Remember the last time we went to the village?
Yeah. They called a mage on us.
Exactly. People hate us, and we can do nothing to change their minds. It's not our fault they can't look past that. At least the boss doesn't care what we are, as long as we get the job done.
She's still mean, though.
All I'm saying is that in the end, we only have each other.
I know, but if it's you, that's all I need.
Yeah. You big sap. Can you not look at them like that? You look like a creep.
They're so cute when they're sleeping. Like a little sleepy sparrow. It's not my fault they keep nuzzling into my feathers. I hope they're okay with the healing spell. Do you think they look comfortable?
For fuck's sake.
I thought my feathers would be softer to lay on. I even flipped up the moss in the nest.
I'm sure they're fine, Bri.
You think so? They seemed like they were in so much pain.
In any case, I'm sure that they feel a lot better than before.
You're probably right.
When am I not?
Oh, I think they're waking up!
Careful. You don't want to freak them out.
Relax, I know what I'm doing. Hello? Whoa. Calm down. You're safe. Oh, ouch. Are you okay? All right, I'm staying back.
I told you.
Hush. Okay, how about we all take a deep breath? You took quite the beating when we found you. Well, yeah, we found you in the middle of the forest. What were you doing all the way out there?
What? You don't even know where you are?
Bex!
What? They were unconscious in the middle of one of the most dangerous areas on the continent, and they don't even know where they are. Do you know how hard it is for someone to even get to the borders?
Okay, why don't we start from the beginning? Hi, I'm Briar, and the grumpy bird over there is Bex. She doesn't like people, so don't take her attitude personally. We are Harpies!
I fucking knew it. I told you what would happen, didn't I? They're scared shitless.
No thanks to you. Hey, just calm down, okay, please? What? No, we're not gonna eat you.
We don't eat things that talk back. Much.
Bex! Please, can you just step away from the edge? You're gonna fall. Thank you. Walnut. Oh, so you want to tell us your name? Oh, how pretty! A pretty name for a pretty face.
Great. Now that we know each other's names, what are you?
Bex, stop scaring them.
Answer the question. Human.
Oh, I've never heard of that before. And we've heard of a lot.
Alright. What are you doing in Dragon's Grove? Anyone who's anyone knows that going to the Grove is a death sentence.
You weren't? What does that mean?
You were looking through some old stuff, and then you just woke up here. I don't buy it.
Oh, come on, Bex. Can you at least try to be a little nice? So, how did you get all the way out here? You have magic, right? Maybe it was a transportation spell?
What do you mean you don't have any magic? We can practically see it rolling off you.
I don't think I follow.
they mean they can't do any magic. Which, if you ask me, is pretty unlikely. The only people who can't cast magic are hybrids, and that is something you are definitely not.
Hold on, Bex. I think they're telling the truth.
That's because you're gullible.
No, I don't think they actually have any. Look. Whoa.
What was that?
Gnarly is what that is. Look at it. There's so much magic in that thing. It's practically seeping out.
That's a Novanian crystal. Those haven't been used since the Shen era. How did you even get one of those? Whoa. Okay. This is going over there. I don't trust either of you with something this dangerous. No wonder you ended up somewhere like here. One wrong move with one of these, and the entire thing goes haywire. In the wrong hands, it's a disaster waiting to happen.
That also explains how you got here. You must have triggered something in the crystal and found yourself falling out of nowhere. Sometimes these things can be a draw to high magic content.
You're lucky Briar knows healing spells, otherwise you'd be a lost cause.
I was nothing, really. I'm just glad you're better. You don't know what hybrids are? Hybrids. Part animal, part, something else. They come in all forms and sizes.
Us. Hybrids.
Well, hybrids are technically part of the monster class. We're a different class. Well, Harpies are in the Magicaster class. We can cast spells like anyone else.
That's because we weren't born like the others.
Not the original Harpies. Anyway. Rivia, the goddess of the skies, created them to be fierce warriors to protect her dominion. They were epic fighting machines. Pow, pow!
Until one day they stopped. Fell from the skies and never heard from Rivia again.
Legend says they lashed out across the realms out of anger and fear towards their goddess. Not a clue as to why she had set them out. To us? Oh no, I don't know where we came from. Harpies are pretty rare to spot these days, and all that happened hundreds of years ago. But since Harpies came from a goddess, we still hold some of her power.
I say it's all bullshit.
Bex!
Rivia was known to be one of the fiercest gods, but also the most compassionate. If that were really true, she wouldn't have abandoned us like she did.
Bex.
Long story short, we're kids of a god. She threw us down here, and now she's ghosting us.
It's okay. Bex always gets a little heated at the topic.
Whatever. It's...
Oh no.
Shit. Briar, we gotta move.
Stay here, Sparrow. And don't go anywhere. We'll be back as soon as we can.
Come on, Bri.
Soon! I promise. Just stay.